The Best of Halloween Baking Championship, where bakers make the disgusting delicious. And these are our top 4 disgustingly delicious desserts. At number 4, in the Creepy Crawly Cupcake Challenge, Jason manages to make arachnids appetizing.
This is gonna be a chocolate cupcake with baby spider eggs, which is gonna be a green chocolate ganache and chopped cookie pieces, topped with my amazing vanilla frosting and decorated with the queen spider herself.
Beautiful.
I made you guys a spider and her baby's cupcake today. So what we have is a really, really dark chocolate cake, and then I filled it with chopped up chocolate cookie bar, and that's kind of like the spider's baby, so to speak. Imagine like spider eggs popping in your mouth, and then garnished it with the mother spider on top.
Brilliant.
Of course.
Flying in at number 3 in the Halloween Cream Puff Challenge, Jonathan's bat-themed shoe flies into the judge's sweet spot.
I'm making a white chocolate pistachio and mascarpone cream puff. I'm making the wings out of the actual patachoux, and I'm going to make bat droppings. They're gonna be candied pistachios, because they are known for pooping on a lot of things.
So you're going with a little bat guano?
Yeah, of course.
Bat guano. It's what's for dessert.
Bat droppings.
Okay.
I love how Jonathan sets a table. At number 2, Rudy slays the competition with his contribution to the Creepy Donut Challenge.
I'm making buttermilk breakfast slaughterhouse donuts with pecan bacon crumble. What's more creepy than pig parts on a donut? Pig snouts, pig ears, and pigtails. It's a donut with pig parts and actual pig on the donut. These piggies a little bloody.
Now, is that cute or disgusting?
It's disgustingly cute.
It's delicious. I just want to slap your mama.
Props, Rudy. You make darkness cute. But Audrey's approach to the Creepy Donut Challenge takes real guts and takes our number 1 spot.
I am making a French cruller in the shape of intestines.
Ew, gross.
I'm adding raspberry puree to my pastry cream because I want to add some flavor and a tinge of intestinal color. I'm piping red and purple icing because I want to give it some depth and add some squiggly colors just like real intestines.
When I think about eating intestines that actually have something inside of them, oh God, it's creepy.
And the pastry cream oozes out as supposed to. I want to be cruel, but it's the perfect cruller.